Hi there, my name's Jason Wells and I'm the founder of Psion Insights. What I want to do is talk to you about our product, Psion Risk Advisor, and how it fits into businesses' risk management. I think the solution here is about empowering the frontline. What we're looking to do is create natural conversations through multiple channels. So that could be Slack, it could be Messenger, it could be WhatsApp. That puts the advisor right into the hands of all of the frontline employees. So that cuts down the notification times, the alert times from the moment that they identify a risk or an issue or a particular incident. What we then can do is, using those natural conversations, we then get the risk management support direct to the front line, and they get the advice 24/7. So for example, you could leverage off time zones without the need of an expensive operations center, or you could automate some of those simple questions, maybe about policies and procedures. And then in the morning, the next day, then it could be handed off, or a risk manager knows about what's gone on overnight and he can get in touch with that particular business unit to help them solve their problems. I think another part of the solution is predictive intelligence and proactive response. One of the big things that we talked about as a problem is the fact that risk information is in data silos and it's not connected. And also that there is so much manual work that there isn't real time for those value add activities, such as generating analytics and insights about how those risks are being developed. So one of the things we want to do is to create that extra time, that extra space to enable that kind of analytics to go on. That enables those insights to be generated. And also, by connecting all of those dots very quickly between the frontline and risk experts or risk assistants, then we can get that 360-degree picture. And then one of the things we want to ensure is, by using natural conversations, that we're focusing on risk management and not necessarily our mastery of a complex risk system. So we put that directly into the hands of risk managers. The third area we're focusing on is process automation. So making sure that some of the repetitive and manual processes that there are currently are automated as much as possible. So rather than a business unit manager have to call or email a risk advisor and get them to come down and talk to them and so on, if they have simple queries, then that could go straight into Psion Risk Advisor, and it could look those answers up within the policies and the procedures and then point that individual, that business unit manager, in the right direction. And that's pretty important, because then that gives the manager more time to focus on the business and also deal with any specific risks or incidents or issues that they may have identified. We can automate data analysis. So by looking at the data that we hold about all the different risks, we can then start to use predictive analytics, advanced analytics, and start to identify patterns and also proactive learning across the whole organization. Once we've created that time and space and that swifter, quicker engagement with the front line and the risk management advice that they need, that then gives the second line, or those risk experts, more time to focus on the value add and also make sure that they really focus on those areas of the business where the most risk exists. Because then they can go in, they can provide their expertise quickly and also identify new hotspots within the organization. So I think those are three key elements of any risk management advisor, and our particular solution, Psion Risk Advisor, focuses on those three. So that's empowering the front line using natural language and also conversational channels, providing predictive intelligence, which will then enable a proactive response, and also automating all of those manual activities that currently exist because we're having to use multiple systems. My name's Jason Wells. I'm the founder of Psion Insights, and I'm talking to you about Psion Risk Advisor. If you would like to know more and you would like to see how we could help you to bring risk management forward and make it smarter today, then please get in touch with us.